Today I'm using Fondarific Coral Buttercream Fondant. We're going to start by kneading the fondant until it's warm and pliable. You want it to be about body temperature. Sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch on your workspace and spread it out. Roll the fondant into a circle and then use a pin to poke and smooth out any air bubbles. If you're not sure how much fondant you need to cover your cake, we have a super helpful chart on our website and the link is in the description. Before you remove your cake from the fridge, check to make sure that the fondant hasn't stuck to your workspace by running your hands underneath. If you feel any thick spots, take a minute to roll them out so that your fondant is the same thickness all the way around. Roll your fondant up onto your rolling pin, drop the edge to the bottom of the cake facing you, and then gently roll the fondant across the top of the cake and let it drop to the other side. Use a fondant paddle to smooth the top of the cake. Smooth down the front of the cake using just the side of your hand. Gently stretch the fondant out and then smooth it down as you go around the cake, and repeat this process. Use the fondant paddle to smooth down the sides after the cake has been covered, and use a wheel cutter to trim the bottom edge of excess fondant. Chill the cake in the refrigerator if you have more decorations to make, or dig right in. This video isn't sponsored by Fondarific, but I'm gonna hype them up for a minute. I've used just about every fondant brand on the market, and this is by far the best one out there. It has a great shelf life and has a great work time. It's so soft, so it rolls out further, which means you get more bang for your buck. Not to mention, it tastes great. Go check them out at Fondarific.com, and we'll link it in the description.